All right, this is room 2505 on the Carnival Venezia. I'm gonna go on in here. My thing is broken, but come in. This is an upper, lower interior room, and it is handicap accessible, even though I don't need a handicap accessible. It's a room I got. And yeah, so you walk in, we've got a little card holder here to keep the lights on, light switch. Got the closet here. Got drawers, safe, or drawers, shelving, and then we got hanging space, extra pillows. There's the life jacket. See if anybody left me any surprises. No. All right. And then come over here. We got two little hooks. There's the door. Super nice. We do have USB right by the bed. We got a little, that's broken, but a little door. Got the second bed. So like I said, it's an upper and a lower. Don't have much space in here. We've got the refrigerator and one drawer here. We got a little mirror, TV, the phone. We got some USB ports, 2 plugs, and the European outlet. So plenty of outlet space. And then we got the restroom. Like I said, it is a handicap accessible, so it is a different setup than what I'm used to. But we got the shower here, toilet, sink. Not very much shelf space, so I'll have to figure something out, but that will be all right. And yeah, that's it. Again, one last look at 2505.